Next up, on the true edge cleaning, at least with the 2x4, we've got this ultra inexpensive Bissell Powerforce compact. And I can't turn the brush roll off with it, so I'm just going to have to run it with it on. Can't wait to find out if this ultra cheapie can do anything at all from the edge. Filters are clean. In fact, they're new actually. Let's see, dust cup is tight. All right, here we go. There goes nothing. Well, looks like prediction was correct. Here goes nothing. It might have gotten something, but it wasn't much. And that little struggling that you saw in the beginning is the squeegee that kind of flips back and forth. So that was somewhat to be expected. All right, on to the next one. See you soon.